The moment every dreamer dreads. The check arrives, and reality joins the table. 2 minutes later,
Damn.
they were no richer.
I think I,
but somehow
forgot my wallet.
No, you didn't. You forget it every single time the bill comes.
Baby, it's called tradition. You pay, I provide vibes.
Oh, yeah? Well, tonight the vibes cost $72.95 plus tip.
Listen, I say we both just pretend to choke. Boom. Dine and dash.
Oh my gosh, you are so broke! You want to fake die for pasta?
So, who's covering this?
She
Him.
is.
Don't look at me like that. We spent all the money we don't even have. I wasn't leaving without some free food.
Seriously?
Survival skills.
Yeah. Real classy.
Psh, classy, don't keep you fat.
We can't keep doing this.
Then we stop talking and pick one plan. One thing. We write it till it works.
And if it doesn't?
Then we pick another. We're broke, not stupid. Morning.
Discreet? That's a code word.
Code for pay us. We won't ask questions. That's perfect.
We can't even afford coffee. You want to go be fake rich?
Yeah. You have any better ideas?
Oh, yes! He actually texted back. He said next Thursday. Okay, that gives us time.
We need to look like we own an estate, darling.
As you wish. All jokes aside, we've got enthusiasm and nothing else. Pretending don't pay the bills.
Ah! See this? Statement piece. Okay. Step 1. Look like money.
With what money?
With confidence, of course.
Why does every rich guy dress like they're allergic to humility?
Because money cures shame. Ah! We need hats, sunglasses, maybe a scarf with too much personality.
I'm not wearing another scarf. Last time it made me look like a substitute art teacher.
Fine, statement jacket then. You need to look like you have a yacht, or at least a paddle boat.
So, thrift store?